What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit, RaikenProfit.com. Just leaving one of my favorite places to get some food on the run, Chipotle. And I just want to make a video because I haven't made a video in like over a week and a half. And a lot of people might be thinking, Steve, where are you? Are you alive? What's happening? And I just want to make a video pretty much talking about the fact that it's okay every now and then to step back from your business or from your hobbies or whatever it is to gain clarity. A lot of people in life, they're maybe a little disappointed, or they feel like maybe they're shortchanged in a sense in terms of maybe their health or fitness or their business or just the money that's in their life, so on and so forth. And a lot of times that's because we get stuck kind of in the rat race. We get stuck in the grind. We get stuck doing what we're normally doing on a regular basis. And human beings, we're creatures of habit, right? The results that we have in our life, the outcomes, the things that we have in our life are mainly due to the things that we're doing on a regular basis, which, turn into habits. And a lot of times, in order to change, we really need to kind of take a second to reevaluate what we're doing, our values, why we're doing it, and just kind of take a step back to reflect. And that's really what I've been doing over the last week and a half, not only in terms of just my YouTube channel and the overall vision of it, but my business and relationships and different things like that as well. So if you ever find yourself, maybe you feel like you're kind of on a hamster wheel and you're just running in place, and you might be working hard and maybe you're not getting the results you want, or you look on a calendar and January goes by, February, March, April, May, and you're getting the same results and you're not changing like you want to. Like, take a step back. A lot of times we're not getting what we want because we're stuck in the wrong habits. We're stuck doing what we're comfortable doing. What we do on a regular basis is what we start to become acquainted with. We get comfortable, we get used to it, we get put in this box. So in order to get out of that box and to change, you've got to reevaluate, take some time to yourself, meditate, walk, eat healthy, brainstorm with yourself, get out a pen and pad and start writing down the things you want to do and why you want to do it. Start talking to friends and colleagues and associates, so on and so forth. So, don't be scared to take a step back, okay? A lot of people say, it's consistency is key, and I'm the first to say that. And, the people who succeed, they stick with it, they don't give up. But every now and then, you do need to take a step back, whether it's for a day or two, or for a week or 2 weeks or a month, and just reevaluate and ask yourself, am I climbing up the right ladder? Because if you're trying to get to a certain destination and you've got your ladder leaned up against the wrong house, but you're trying to go to a house on a completely different, different side of town, it doesn't matter what you do, how hard you climb that ladder, how hard you push. If your ladder's leaning against the wrong house, you're just not going to get to where you want to go, right? So take a second right now to just think about your life and where you are, and ask yourself, do I need to reevaluate? Do I need to take a step back? And if you feel that you need to, then do it. Take a step back, okay? So just wanted to make this video for you guys. Everything is going great on my end, just going through a lot of life changes and stuff, some for the better, some for the worse. But yeah, just spending a lot of time reevaluating and having some fun and switching things up. So just want to share what's on my mind. Hopefully this was able to bring some value to your life. Definitely share your 2 cents down in the comments. What do you do when maybe you feel overwhelmed, or you're just getting the same results over and over again? You're not changing. You keep saying you're going to, deep down inside you want to change, but you just aren't. What do you do? I would love to hear in the comments. I know it'll be able to help a lot of people out as well. So that being said, have an amazing day, and there surely will be some more content coming soon. Appreciate you all. Bye.